Hey there, little artists, are you ready to dive into a colorful underwater adventure? Today we're going to color a fish, but not just any fish. We're making it bright and fun with 3 super cool colors: pink, yellow, and blue.
Gibs Brush Art.
Grab your crayons, markers, or paints and let's start. First up, we'll use the color pink, that's right. Let's color the fish's fins with pink. Imagine it swimming through the water with those bright pink fins. So fun, great job. Now it's time for the yellow. We're going to color the fish's body with yellow. Wow, it's starting to look like a little sunshine in the sea, don't you think? Keep coloring. Bright and beautiful. And last but not least, let's grab our blue. We'll color the tail with blue. This will make our fish look like it's swimming through the big blue ocean. Doesn't that look amazing? Wow! You've just made a colorful fish using pink, yellow, and blue. Doesn't it look fantastic? You did an amazing job. Now, your fish is ready to swim and shine in your underwater world. Thanks for coloring with me. Remember, the best thing about coloring is using your imagination and having fun. See you next time, little artists. Bye-bye.